Welcome back to JBADV, guys. My name is Jacob, and in today's video, we're going to officially announce the winners of the Protaper Grip giveaway. So, we got two of them. Here's one. Here's two. We're going to be giving them away. You know the deal. We had you guys go in the comment section and type hashtag Protaper on the giveaway video. And what we're going to do is go on the computer here on a random comment picker, and I'm just going to generate two winners from this, and I will be replying to your comment on that video. I will also leave it in the description below who won, and then what we will do is I'll just have you guys email me, and we'll go from there. So I will obviously at the end of this video give a showcase of like what to do and a description of what to do a little bit more. But before anything else, let's just dive right into it. Okay, guys, so now we're on the computer, and I am on commentpicker.com. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm in the YouTube. So what I have to do is enter my YouTube URL for the video just to show you guys that I'm, doing this straight up with you guys. So I'm going to get the URL to my video, plug it in here, and then I'm going to filter based on the hashtag Protaper, and then that's how I'm going to pick. Okay, so let me get that, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, so now in here, we have my URL to the video that was mine for the giveaway, and we have the hashtag Protaper that we're going to filter by. I have never done this before, so I'm hoping this just goes buttery smooth. But thank you for joining me for the first giveaway, guys. And whether it is or isn't good, we're going to just try to do this here. And no comments found. Oh, because I typed something wrong. Okay, so I found 28 of you, it says. That's probably about right. So 28 of you have submitted your hashtag Protaper, so that's pretty good odds for all you guys because I'm giving away two of them. So I think I just have to click this now. It says to get that, hit the start button. So I'm hitting the start button, and it looks like Tim Davis. Tim Davis, you have won yourself a pair of Protaper pillow top grips. So congratulations, buddy. Hope you really enjoy them. That one is going to be for you. And now I still got one more to go. So I'm going to pick another winner here. So we're going to hit start one more time. Let's see who wins it this time. JK, you win them. Congratulations. I'd recommend the Acerbi's plastic skid plate. It's light and doesn't dent. Took some of the bounces off decent sized rocks with no problem. Hey, thanks for your comment. I do definitely want to look into getting a skid plate. The Acerbi's was one of them that I did want to look into. The other one that I'm looking into is the AXPs as well. AXP is kind of tricky, though, because you have to order from Europe. They don't really sell them in the U.S. anywhere, so it's a little bit pricier, but it looks like they do a little bit better. I don't know. Definitely leave it more of that back down in the comments section, guys. If you guys have skid plates, specifically the plastic ones on your CRF 250L, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. I could make this a little bit longer of a video and discuss some things with you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reply to your comment section down below. I'm assuming you guys are good subscribers that are going to be watching this and see who won anyway. And I hope I edit this right because I'm trying to do this, a little bit here, a little bit there. But thank you so much, guys, really, we hit 250. I know the board still says 250, but we've actually surpassed that. We're at like 315 now, I think, at the time of this is going up. That's crazy, guys. Thank you so much. The next giveaway will be at 500. I know I'm just getting started with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed the giveaway. It's just a little something, so I just want to give it like a week or so you guys could really get in there and do the comments because not everybody checks YouTube every day. So hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully you guys are excited about this. So what I will leave in the description below everything you got to do in order for emailing me. It's going to be super easy, but I will leave it right here on the screen right now for you guys. My email is going to be jbadvvlogs@gmail.com, and that's where I will respond to your email. And just email me who you are and that you won and your address, and I will get it sent right out to you. I promise. And on that note, thank you, everybody, for making this all possible. This is why I'm giving back to you guys, because I never thought we'd have this great of a community as we do this fast into it. I've only been doing this for a couple months, so I have some trial and error points that I'm still trying to work out. A couple kinks in the system, if you will. But so far, we've been doing really well, I think. and I got plenty more coming. I got a bunch of plans on the way. Couple things that if you guys follow me on the Instagram, you would already see happen to the bike, which is pretty cool. We will probably be having a live stream this week, and that'll be at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely keep a lookout on that. We usually try to do that every other Friday night or every Friday night. It's usually around that. Sometimes we don't get to it, but it's because we're busy. You know, things happen. But honestly, thank you to everybody. I think this is a really cool channel so far, and I really, like I've said a bunch of times, I didn't think it would blow up like it did, but you guys just make it absolutely awesome. All your comments, all your feedback on certain things, whether it's fixing something or parts or just sharing where you guys like to go trail riding and stuff, or just giving me a friendly reminder that, hey, your videos are awesome. Like, thank you. I try, and sometimes I'm kind of disappointed in a video, but I still put it up and you guys seem to love it still. So really, thank you so much. That's all I could say over and over again. But if you guys like what we just did, definitely stick around. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We got some more trail videos coming up for sure. The weather seems to be pulling through. It's beautiful. We've had like 65, 70-degree weather, nice cool breezes. That's perfect riding weather, and no rain lately. So the trails are probably dry. We got to hit the trails. What else? I guess just stay tuned. Maybe a new bike on the horizon, but I think I said too much. So on that note, definitely subscribe. And definitely stay posted, and I will see you guys real soon. Remember to email me.